Which is the better AI audio stock, SoundHound or Cerence AI? Market valuation wise, Cerence AI trades at a reasonable price while SoundHound AI is absolutely absurd. For comparison, Cerence trades at a market cap of $850 million, a price to sales of 2.5, and a price to book of 6.2. On the other hand, SoundHound AI trades at a market cap of $6.7 billion, a price to sales of 90.7, and a price to book of 24.9. Its price is so far removed from its fundamentals that I have a hard time believing that SoundHound AI will sustain this current position. It also probably explains why insiders have been selling so much, since there is simply a massive dislocation between price and valuation for SoundHound AI. Cerence AI wins by default on this one.